morning students. Today's topic is Diac. Diac is consisting of two letters, that is Di and AC. Di stand for di and AC alternating current. Di means diode, okay, which is in bidirectional in nature. So you can say it is a diode AC switch. Diode is a Diac is a diode AC switch. It has two terminal and it is also known as the bidirectional semiconductor switching device. It works on both the direction, positive as well as the negative directions. It has two terminals and these terminals are known as MT1 and MT2, main terminal 1 and main terminal 2. This is the basic structure of Diac, which is consisting of three layers P and P, and it is N layer is sandwiches with the P, and this is the terminal 1, and at the other end there is N terminal which is attached with the MT2. So this is the symbol of Diac, and consists of two diodes in opposite directions, and this is main terminal 1 and main terminal 2. So you can say that Diac which conducts in both the direction, that is positive as well as the negative half cycle, when applied voltage, that is VC, VS or Vin, is more than the breakdown voltage, that is BVO. Whenever the input voltage, that is Vin or VS, is greater than breakdown voltage, then Diac will conduct. It will conduct in both the directions, positive as well as the negative half cycle. You can see in this waveform, whenever it is a positive half cycle, input is positive Vin, and when it exceeding the voltage, that is breakdown voltage, it might be suppose here breakdown voltage is suppose this one. When input voltage exceeding the breakdown voltage, then Diac will conduct. Same is the in the negative half cycle, when input voltage exceed the breakdown voltage in the negative direction, then Diac will conduct. Same the repeat process will be repeat again and again. So this is the circuit diagram of Diac, which is consisting of input, there is a load, then there is a Diac is connected. First Diac, you can say this is right one, it conduct for the positive half cycle, and other one is conduct for the negative half cycles. It means only one diode conduct at a one time, because diode will conduct only in a forward bias, reverse bias. In reverse bias it will block the current, it will not conduct. So whenever the MT1 is positive with respect to MT2, then is first one SCR is will be conducting, that is your this right one is, this is positive, this is negative. When this is positive, then your right one SCR is conducting and you will get the output. When MT1 is negative and this is positive, then this left diode will be conducting in a forward bias, and this is in reverse bias. So in reverse negative half cycle, this left diode will conduct. You can see the characteristics of the Diac. VA characteristics, it is in a forward bias, it will on state for the positive half cycle in the forward bias, and it is on state for the negative half cycles. It will conduct after input voltage is exceeding the breakdown voltage, then the Diac will be in on state. And same in the reverse directions, other diode will conduct whenever the voltage, input voltage, reverse input voltage increase beyond the reverse breakdown voltage. So next topic is Triac. Triac is combination of two letters, tri and AC. It is a tri means three. It is AC switch which has three terminals. It is a three terminal bidirectional semiconductor switching device which conduct AC in a load, and it conduct in both the direction, that is positive as well as the negative half cycle. Diac and Triac are almost same. The main difference between the Diac and Triac is Triac has three terminals and Diac has two terminals. Three terminals, these terms are, that is main terminal 1, main terminal 2, and this is gate. Gate is always near to the first terminal, that is MT1, and in the Diac there is no gate terminal is present. And this is the basic structure of Triac, which is consisting PNP, and it consisting of your N, it is MT1, and second is gate which is close to the MT1, you can see in this symbol, then N which is MT2, millisecond, and this is the symbol of Triac. And basic structure or construction of Triac is consisting of two diodes. One is suppose this one, this is SCR1, this is suppose SCR2, diode 1 or diode 2, okay, which is consisting of two terminals, and third is your gate is common to both the MT1 and MT2. In both the gate is connected to a common gate input. So whenever MT1 is positive with respect to the MT2, then SCR1 will be conducting and SCR2 in a reverse bias. So it will conduct for the positive half cycle, and whenever in second case, when MT1 is negative and this is positive, what happen? SCR2 will be in a conducting forward bias and this is in reverse bias. So for MT2, whenever MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, SCR2 will be conducting and SCR1 in a reverse bias, and it will conduct for the negative half cycle. You can see in the waveform for the positive half cycle, first one diode is SCR is conducting, and for negative half cycle another one is conducting whenever we reach the input voltage exceeding the breakdown voltage. This is the circuit diagram. You can see is AC input is applied here, and then there is a load resistance, then this is the Triac, and it has the gate is common to both, then there is a resistance, and then supply voltage is there, then switch is open. If there is no gate current is applied across the Triac, then Triac will be in a off state. When S is closed, then gate current will flow through the Triac and it will be in a on state. You can see the flow chart, VA characteristics of Triac in a forward wise. When MT1 is positive with respect to the MT2, then it is in conduct, it will conduct, Triac will conduct, and when MT2 is positive with respect to the MT1, then another SCR will be conducting. And you can see whenever gate, this is gate IG1, IG2 and IG3. By seeing this one, when we increase the gate current, the conduction will be start faster. Suppose it is IG4, if gate current is large, then it will conduct fast, and when we increase the gate current, then reverse break over voltage will be decreasing and current will be increasing. And same is the reverse wise. Whenever the gate current is increasing more, then the Triac will be conducting faster. Thank you so much.